Why Vietnam is beating everyone right now. There's a country right now that most people aren't paying attention to, but behind the scenes, it's quietly becoming one of the biggest winners in the global economy. That country is Vietnam. And what's happening there right now might surprise you.
50 years ago, Vietnam was a war-torn nation. Today, it's one of Asia's fastest-growing economies. From rice paddies to tech hubs, Vietnam has transformed dramatically. Ho Chi Minh City pulses with motorbikes, skyscrapers, and startups. Hanoi blends ancient temples with modern cafes. The numbers tell the story. GDP growth averaging 6% annually. Poverty reduced from 70% to under 2%. A population where 70% wasn't born during the war. Vietnam now exports everything from coffee to semiconductors.
For years, China dominated global manufacturing. But today, companies are starting to look elsewhere. And one country keeps coming up again and again, and that's Vietnam. Big companies are moving, factories are relocating, supply chains are changing, and Vietnam is becoming a key destination. This shift even has a name, China Plus One. Instead of relying only on China, companies are adding another country. And more often than not, that country is Vietnam. So why Vietnam? First, labor costs are lower than China. Second, Vietnam has a young, hardworking population. And third, the government has been very open to foreign investments. They're building infrastructures, creating industrial zones, and making it easier for global companies to set up operations. It's not luck, it's exactly strategy. Major companies are already making moves. Tech giants are shifting production. Manufacturers are expanding factories. And Vietnam's exports have been growing rapidly. And this isn't just a small trend. It's a global shift. And Vietnam is right at the center of it. Now, to be clear, Vietnam isn't replacing China overnight. China still has a massive scale and infrastructure. But Vietnam doesn't need to replace China. It just needs to grow alongside with it. And right now, it's doing exactly that. So the real question is Vietnam just benefiting from this shift? Or is it becoming a major global powerhouse? Because if this trend continues, Vietnam might not just be rising, it might be leading. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit like, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell for more vlogs. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.